ra sún sókè díẹ̀ wọ́n máa bọ̀ ń bì mí wọ́n máa bọ̀ báyìí wọ́n máa bọ̀ báyìí ìyẹn sún sókè díẹ̀ báyìí báwo mú fóònù yẹn kàn má gbàgbé lẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ mú clipper yẹn wá. You are welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to sharpen KIKI clipper blade cordless. Can you see it? Imagine, no. A pack candy. Yeah, can you see this now? This is what I always tell you people about my people in my environment, my barbers. Can you see the broom they put under the blade? Can you see that is packing, repackaging? They will now put, you see the way they put the broom. After they use it, if they buy this clipper new now today, they will now use it for about 2 or 3 months. They will now use it for about 3 or 4 months. After that, they will now be packing. Can you see the packing? When they put it now, they will reforce the machine to work by force again. After that one, they know the way they used to do it. That is why I used to tell you, before you can become yourself, before you can call yourself a professional, a real professional, in my environment, sharpening clipper blade, you must be a real professional. I'm telling you sincerely. As I'm losing this one now, that is how I saw the broom. I asked you and I said it is packing. Can you see it? So this clipper blade you are watching now, maybe they have used it for almost between 6, 7, 8, 9 or 1 year before they now prepare to resharpen it again. Can you see this? This is a new clipper. It has not been sharpened before. Can you see? This one has not been sharpened before at all, but they have used air out of the clipper blade. I'm coming back. Imagine. Pensing in the clipper and the hush. I don't stand me any. Iná ló bí kíní yìí, iná ló bí sápà yìí. Orí yóò sì fẹ́. Ló bí sápà yìí, ibò kan ló fi ránṣẹ́ sí mi. Tí ẹ̀ rí engine ẹbí nǹkan bèjì nù, kò ní ná. Ẹ má fọ kàtà fún ọgbà.
Alájà sọ pé lónìí lónìí.
Ọtí náà ló wù mí. Alẹ́ nìkan bí ibò kan ló fi ránṣẹ́ sí, ibò kan ló kò mọ́. Táfọ̀ ló ta ọ̀dọ̀ mi. Mo ìmọ̀ bá rí wá, iye mo fún ìgbà bá ti sọ fún yẹn máa rẹ́rìn. Kọ́lá gbogbo òkun mi ní ṣá. Wálé ènìyàn. Kò ń ṣe jókòó.
Ìsítẹ́ẹ̀dì ọwọ́ tẹ́ ń lò yẹn.
Àní ilé fọwọ́lẹ̀. Eléyìí yá gan tí ẹ̀ bá ti mọ̀ ọ́ lò tán. Ìwà báyìí. Ìwà báyìí. Ìgbé báyìí. Tí iná bá wà ní àmì olè máa rí kó fi hàn pé. Yá. Comment ça, mais là, comment faire? I want to clean the blades. Yeah, there's something I want to show you here. When you watch this inner clipper blade very well, look at my pointer. See where I position my pointer here. You can see the stainless there. You can see the stainless. When I remove it now, you see the stainless under. Can you see the stainless now? You see that front one, that black area. It doesn't touch the bottom clipper blade again because it has been raised up like this. That is how they be raising, using something to raise the back of the blade up. So when they use it though, they use another packing for it again to raise it more again, so that this one can be able to contact with the bottom clipper blade. After they use it done, there's opening there, they will still reset it, put another repackaging there again. That is how they will continue using it until they are satisfied they want to sharpen it. It might take them a year, 1.5 before they sharpen the clipper blade in my environment. So if you want to sharpen clipper blade now with a super hard manual sharpening stone in my environment, you need to prepare yourself. Even with sharper, you need to prepare yourself well. The way they are using clipper blade here is totally different from another area. Let me show you the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? Yeah, I want to show you. There's something I want to show you here. Yeah, look at it here now. See this area I want to place my pointer. This stainless area. That area is down. It is just like a step. See this area is down. Then the front is down. This front is down. Here is down. This is the top step now. Then when you look at this black portion I cover, this black portion here is another step again. It's about 4 steps here now. This is number 1 step, number 2, number 3, number 4. This number 4 now correspond with this back here. This back here, the whole back here now, and this area I covered at the same level. Here making the 2nd level, here 3rd level, front 4th level. This is 4 steps now. So if you want to sharpen this one now, you have to use logic. Yeah, I'm telling you system, tricks in sharpening the clipper blade. Even if you are using auto, you need to use your common sense in sharpening it. Let's go. In my environment here, they don't like to sharpen clipper blade at all. I'm telling you sincerely, they don't like to sharpen clipper blade. They want to use a set of clipper blade for 2 years without sharpening and using it to make money every day. So when I used to say it in my tutorial, some people may be thinking whether this money is making mouth. It's no. It's not mouth at all. It is not mouth at all. It is not mouth. I'm telling you sincerely, it is not mouth. If you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, I'm telling you sincerely, in my environment here, they will disgrace you. They know the way they use it. It is almost all of them. All. It is almost all. Not some. Almost all barbers, all stylists, all proprietors. They use it in the same way. They use it in the same way. You see the way I'm preparing the surface of my super hard manual sharpening stone? Yeah, I'm preparing it in a sharper form. The level has changed. I used to tell you. The level has changed. So I want to use angle 45 degrees to sharpen the bottom clipper blade. I will go to and fro 10 times for one side, to and fro 10 times for the other side. That is 2 and fro 10 times. That is 2 and fro 10 times again. 10 times for one side, 10 times for the other side. Let me clean the solution here. I want to watch. Let me still go for the 2nd time because the owner is in a hurry. There's no chance for me to show this work very well. The owner of the clipper blade is in a hurry. It's a new customer. That is the first job here. That is 2 and fro 10 times. That is 2 and fro 10 times again. Yeah, no. Let us watch the inside of the upper clipper blade. Let us watch the inside. Can you see it now? Everything has signed across. When you watch it from here like this, when you watch it, everything has signed across. Across here, everything has signed across. Can you see it? So let us sharpen for the bottom clipper blade As usual, don't forget your treatment. Don't forget your treatment. The way you suppose to be using super hard manual sharpening stone, it has to be in a sharper form. If you really want to enjoy the usages of the super hard manual sharpening stone, I'm telling you sincerely, it has to be an using of sharper. So I've upgraded the way I use super hard manual sharpening stone in my own studio to make the work easy for me, because the way they are using their clipper blade here, hey my people, can you see it? You really understand what I'm trying to say? These are 4 steps. 4 steps inner surface. Yeah. I'm using angle 45 degree again to sharpen. Angle 45 degree. That is 2 and fro 10 times for one side. 2 and fro 10 times again for the other side. Let me go for the other side again. Number one side. That is 2 and fro 10 times again. Let me clean this thing. That is 2 and fro 20 times for each side. 2 and fro 10 times for this side, 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 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10, 20. Yeah, making 2 and fro 20 times for one side, 2 and fro 20 times for the other side. Yeah, let us check the inside now. I want to show you one thing. For you to believe in what I used to say, I want to show you. If my camera can carry it, I'll be very, very happy. And at the same time, if the camera cannot carry it, you bear with me. There's something I want to show you. There's one thing I want to show you. I'm looking for one way or the other to fashion the shape out so that I can show me exactly what I want to show you. The camera has not shown me, but I'm seeing it here practically. I can see it. I can see it. You see, let me put the pointer there. Here like this. This place I place my pointer. This place I place my pointer. To the back here now I've been sharpening correctly, but from here to the front now is 1 step. Here goes down the same level, then from here now to the back is 1 level, making 2 now. Instead of 4 steps before, 4 steps, I've now sharpened it, making 2 steps now. So I want to clear this front now so that everything will balance up, so that everything will flat across like this. Can you see it? So for me to do for the front here now, I need to re-chop this whole back again, bringing the level down to yeah, this is what I want to show you. Yeah, it has showed just now. It has showed just now. It has escaped again. It has escaped again. It showed just now. Yeah, can you see it? Look here like this. It is from here. People are trying using their blade here, the way Baba used their blade. You must know much about sharpening of the clipper blade very well here. If not, you are going to fumble. You are going to fumble. I prepare my stone again, so I will allow me to go 10, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, making 20, 20. Then I will now likely to shift my hand in the front now. You know I started from here. Now likely to shift my hand to the front like this. Thereby, this is the first place I place my thumb. This is the first place for the back. Now put my thumb here, put my thumb here now. Let's go. That is 2 and fro 10 times. 2 and fro 10 times. 2 and fro 10 times. 2 and fro 10 times, making 20 times. Don't forget the first one is 20 times for one side, 20 times for the other side. So the second one now is 20 times for one side, 20 times for the other side. Let us look and see what is going on now. Sharpening of the clipper blade is technical, it's logical, it's by trick. Yeah, you need to use your common sense in sharpening of the clipper blade very well. Because the way people are using clipper blade here, they use it in a way to condemn the clipper blade totally. Yeah, can you see now everything has shined across? Everything has shined across. It has been flattened across. Can you see it? Everything has shined across and be flattened. So I will now test it with my freehand testing styling method whether it is sharpening correctly. Can you see the blade again? This is KIKI, this is the top. Let us put it into testing now. See the way I mount it. See the way I position my thumb. This clipper blade is one of the most strongest blades so far in this world. KIKI, KIKI, clipper blades. The upper and the bottom clipper blade, they are very, very strong. If the stone is not strong, it cannot sharpen it perfectly, correctly, logically, technically. Okay, it cannot. And if you have a stronger stone, see, you need to use your common sense, common science in fashioning out the correct sharpening on the surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade professionally. Yeah. That is why I'm saying you need to go back to my previous tutorial, the whole videos. Go and watch them very well. Yeah, that is where you will acquire 80% knowledge in the sharpening of the clipper blade tutorials. Then when you now join them with the new ones I'm producing, you can now add another 20% or make it 100%. And don't forget, the tutorial for sharper now started. You need to follow me up bumper to bumper so that you will not lost along the line. You cannot even lost. My video will direct you. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Watch only my video, you will sharpen clipper blade. Watch only my video, you will use sharper correctly, perfectly, correctly, logically, technically, okay. So when we open this clipper blade now, and we can see the carbon form from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and the back, which means the clipper blade I have sharpened correctly. This KIKI clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. Let us open it and see what is going on. Yeah, can you see? Can you see? I used to tell you, when you call yourself a professional, you must be able to know the tricks, logic, and techniques in fashioning out the blade sharpening on the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Can you see? Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can you see it? Sẹ́yìn gangan lẹni clipper yìí. But ẹ kọ́kọ́ pack ẹ̀ ní fi kíní ẹ̀ sí o. I'm telling my customer that brought this clipper, you will first repackage this blade without putting that broom there, that packaging they put for there. Ẹ máa bọ̀ ń bì. Okay, ẹ kí mi náà lè bá yín ṣe, ẹ jókòó. Ẹ kí ni bá yín ṣe, àní tí dé. Sínú orí rẹ̀ sẹ́ẹ̀tì báyìí. Kò ní ìwò lẹ́yìn gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ bí ni. Ok, mo ti rí. Ok, mo ti rí. Ìgbálẹ̀ tẹ́ fi sí yẹn ló ń jẹ́ kó sẹ́nu ẹ̀ sẹ́ẹ̀tì tẹ́lẹ̀ tó lè ṣépù ràn. Kò sẹ́ẹ̀tì kó lójú ọ̀nà má di kíní wá sínú báyìí níbo tí mo ń rìkọ́dù wá sínú. Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe? Kó máa ń pàkì ìtọ̀gá ẹ pàkì ẹ gbé ọwọ́ sí abẹ́ kámẹ́rà báyìí ẹ lè jókòó níbí. I want the owner to pack this ẹ̀dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni. I want the owner to ayé da kámẹ́rà ro. So the owner has helped me to repackage it again. I forget to remove this masking tape. Can you see it? See the clipper? You see it. So now I want to test it. Let me put treatment again. I have to blow it out. So I'm trying to run it properly before the testing. Oil wo lè fi ń lò? Ó ní oil tiẹ̀. I'm asking about the oil my customer is using for this clipper. He told me he's using the machine oil. Though it's good, but it has its own normal oil. Yeah, can you see it now? This is what they call a perfect job, a well done job. Can you see it? You see it? That is the way to sharpen KIKI clipper blade. Can you see? Oil wo lè fi ń lò? Ó ní oil tiẹ̀. I'm asking about the oil my customer is using for this clipper. He told me he's using the machine oil. Though it's good, but it has its own normal oil. Yeah, can you see it now? This is what they call a perfect job, a well done job. Can you see it? You see it? That is the way to sharpen KIKI clipper blade. Can you see it? Let me off it and clean it. I'm cleaning the body up. I'm making it neat again. This is the normal oil for it. Can you see it? This is the normal oil. Can you see it? Just like ordinary water. Can you hear the voice now? So I use engine oil to test before, but this is the normal oil. Can you see that the voice has changed? This is the normal voice. It even come down lower than the new one, the voice of the new one. Can you see it? Yeah. So I'm trying to advise all my subscribers, all my viewers again. Please go back to my previous video, watch my video, added the new one. The new chapter tutorials now is now out. Thank you, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
What is it though?
Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Níbi mọ́sálásí tó mọ̀ yẹn níbi ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ báyìí náà.
Hello, master.
Ẹ́ ọjà àwọn ọmọ àgbàlẹ̀ sí i. Jáde sí títí pẹ̀lú òun náà gbọ́gbẹ́.
Ẹ gbà.
Ó ti parí báyìí.
Bí náà mo tẹ́sí lójú yẹn. Olórí wa just ìpínlẹ̀ 400 lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ gbà náà ń bọ̀ máa gba 300.
Ẹ ṣe lẹ́nu.
Ẹ̀yin ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń lo bléèdì ńlẹ̀ yìí. Ọlọ́run ló máa o.
Olúwa ní nọ́mbà ìlú yẹn tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ gẹ̀ẹ́tì.
Mo tẹ̀ lọ sí Ìlọrin jẹ̀ta o, ọ́ìlì ẹ̀ ti wọ́n gan. 215 o.
Ẹ ṣe lẹ́nu.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ajẹ́ wọn.
Yes, sir. So tó bá kó bá ṣe díẹ̀ tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí nínú ẹ̀ náà. Tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó nínú. Méjèèjì náà ló ń lọ o. Mo fẹ́ di pé kò sí yàtọ̀ gan. Ní tí màá fọwọ́ sí ni náà ṣe. Ní tí mọ̀tọ́ ti yé yín, so iná wà inú ṣe máa bọ̀ wá. Ẹrù wa kó pọ̀ gan ni o.